In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy process of replacing your Audi A8 key fob battery. All you'll need to get this done is a screwdriver and a two CR2025 batteries. You can get these online, they're pretty cheap. If you're interested, you can go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. Now getting right into it, if you look on either side, there's a small indentation in the plastic. It's best to use a small flathead screwdriver that can fit right in there. That way you'll avoid damaging the plastic. You'll just insert and twist, which will start to open up the device. If you don't have something like this, you can just use a regular flathead screwdriver and just use the corner of the screwdriver. Just wiggle it in there. Both work fine. So just use what you have. And once you're in here, there are two batteries stacked on top. You can just pull them out with your fingers or use your flathead screwdriver. Just carefully pry them out. And take your new CR2025s. Make sure that the positive side is facing down. And you'll just click those into place, one on top of the other. So both of them positive side down, snap them into place just like that. And now all we need to do is click this back together. And we are finished. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, remember, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.